Hello, good evening, my dear students and all viewer of my videos. Welcome to Vedic Gurukul IT's YouTube channel. This is your host Jitendra Behra, MS in Mathematics, Mathematics teacher at Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India. Once again, I'm coming with a nice chapter of class 10 CBSE. That is arithmetic progression. It is a very interesting chapter, and this chapter is coming in your 10th board exam, so it is little bit very important. I will give you the fundamental knowledge and try to clear your doubt and concept in a very simple way. So let's start. Okay, students, today we are going to discuss arithmetic progression, and before going to start arithmetic progression, we should have to know what is sequence. Okay, so what is sequence? Sequence means some numbers arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule is known as sequence. Later I will give one two example to make you understand a sequence. And what is progression? Progression means what? A sequence which follow a definite pattern is known as progression. Okay, and after that will come what is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression in short form we are writing it's AP. Okay, arithmetic progression, and its definition will be a sequence in which each term differs from its preceding term by a constant that is known as arithmetic progression. Let's take one example, that is 4, 7, 10, 13 and 16. It is a sequence, it is also in a progressions, and it is in arithmetic progression. Exactly these sequence are in AP. We can write this sequence are in AP. Okay, where it follows a definite pattern. Its first term is 4 and the second term is 7 and the third term is 10. According to the definition of arithmetic progression, a sequence in which each term differs from its preceding term by a constant means 7 is differ from 4 is 3, 10 differs 3 from 7, 13 differs from 10 is 3. So it is going through a definite difference. So it is known as arithmetic progression. And we will discuss what is its general form. General form of an AP. What is it? General form of an AP is what? If A is equal to first term and D is known as common difference, then Tn equals to, we can write A plus n minus 1D. Here Tn is known as nth term of an AP. Here Tn is called nth term of an AP. And Tn equals to A plus n minus 1D is the general form of an AP. By using this formula, we can evaluate how many terms are there and what is its first term and what is its common difference. Later I will give one two example. Sum of nth term. Sum of nth term. Sum of nth term is Sn. Sn is equal to, by formula we can write n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1d. This is one formula for Sn. There is another formula where we can write Sn is equal to n by 2 whole into a plus l, where a is known as first term and l is known as last term of an AP, where l is last term of an AP. You understand, students? I think you better understand the theory of arithmetic progressions. Let's take one example. That example is to find the 16th term. Find the 16th term of an AP 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Its solution. Its solution will be here clearly a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 5 minus 3 equals to 2. We can write 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. D is known as common difference between any two conjugated terms. Okay. Then we will find the 16th term, means we will find T16 is equal to how much. Or in some books or in some authors also use this term AN in case of TN, or they can write A16 also. Okay. Okay, T16 equals to how much? You know, formula is A plus n minus 1d, right? Here A equals to 3 plus n is equal to how much? Number of terms. The 16th term it is asking, thus find the 16th term means 3 plus 16 minus 1 and b is equal to 2. So it will become 3 plus 15 into 2. So it will become 3 plus 30. It will become 33. You understand, students? Here in this process, by using the formula Tn equals to A plus n minus 1d, we will evaluate how many terms. Okay. If I will discuss one more question, then I will discuss. In one more example, I will write which term of the AP, which term of the AP 5, 9, 13, 17 is 81. This question is giving a sequence and it is asking which term is 81. This question is very very important, rapidly coming on exam. So let's do its solution. Its solution will be what? Here, given that I want to teach you the writing skill so that you can write in a appropriate way. Here, given that first term A equals to 5 and common difference D is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Okay, also you can write is equal to 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. Okay, this is common difference. To find 81, we can write let Tn is equal to 81. So let's put the formula of Tn. We can write A plus n minus 1d equals to 81. We can easily find out one variable, that is n. Already two variable a, d value is already given. So let's put its value. A equals to 5 plus n minus 1, we don't know n, then d is equal to 4, it will become 81, right? There are two terms are there, one is 5 and another is n minus 1 into 4. This 5 added with this term, when it will go to the other side, it will become how much? N minus 1 into 4 is equal to 81 minus 5. Then it will become n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 76. This 4 is multiplied with n minus 1. When it will go to RHS, it will divide with 76. So we can write n minus 1 is equal to 76 by 4. Then we will get n minus 1 equals to 19. Then n is equal to 19 plus 1. This implies n is equal to 20. Okay, so let's find out its sum of nth term is equal to how much. That means here in this sequence n equals to 20. Also suppose this question given that to find sum of all terms. Okay, to find sum of all terms we can use that is 20 terms. Okay, so we have to find S20 equals to how much. You know what is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 whole into a plus l. You will use the first term and the last term. You already know what is the value of n here. So S20 equals to 20 by 2, here first term is 5 and the last term is to 81. Okay, so it will become 20 by 2, 86. Then it is 10 into 86 is equal to 860. Okay student, in this formula Sn also you will find the answer. If you want to put the other formula, that is n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1d, also you will get the same answer. Okay, this formula is easy to put here. Okay student, I hope you understand this concept very well. Soon I am going to upload another video. I will discuss there some more example which will coming on exam that will help you in board exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.